Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll cover this lab. First of all, click on Start Lab. And here in the description box of this video, I've shared one app link. Okay, so here what you need to do, you have to just click on the app link URL. It will look like this. After that, you have to click on Copy App. From there, just select Google. And for signing in, use the lab credentials like this. Follow carefully so that you are able to complete the lab without any issue. Paste it. Just carefully paste it. Continue. Allow. It will take some time, so wait for it. Now from here, just click on this copy option and then you have to simply find the name. So let's come to the lab instruction and from here we have to just find the name over here. So let me just see if there is any name. So there is no name. So let's click on directly copy app. So once the app is copied, you have to simply come to the lab instruction and simply check the score. You can clearly see we have got the score. Now simply enter lab.